everyone and welcome back to Reeta Soul Food. Today we're making cheesy peas pasta. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes. You'll just need some frozen peas, some cheese and some pasta. I've just sliced up the cheese for ease. I'll then wash the peas. Boil the pasta as per the instructions. Into a pan, put some oil and Asafoetida, which is completely optional. Add some salt and some pepper for seasoning as per taste. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes. We're ready to add the cheese. So all in all, the cooking time was only about 30 minutes. Give this a good stir for about 10 minutes or so. Let the cheese melt down really nicely.